Hi, I'm Phil Bainbridge, and this is a quick demo video for the blog post to collate and organize a large sheet of data. Here's a sample sheet that I've got then with just some made up information, but it's based on a real life project that I was working on. So we've just got a few made up URLs here that were to originally belonging to some app script projects. We've got kind of the last time they were updated. We've got a creator email address who created the projects, who is now the owner, because that might have been transferred, and then just some sort of incompatibility feature. So just a few bits of data here. What I've got though is I've got a mixture of owners. So I've just got example email addresses here, but I need to be able to organize this. Now, when I did it, I actually had 4,500 rows of data, but obviously for this example, I've just narrowed it down a bit. Basically, I want the script to go through and organize all of the owner emails uniquely. So I want it to go through and get all of the example ones, gather that row of data, and in the app script world, put it into a JavaScript object before then creating a brand new Google Sheet file based on a template that I've got and populating it with a few more bits of raw data. So that's what I want to do. I want to go through, organize all the owner email addresses, collate the unique ones together, and put them in separate files. I've got some examples here where I've got no email address because I needed to do some filtering out if an account no longer existed, or if it was in a shared drive, but as Google refers to it, still a team drive. So I've got like in the script a way of attaching these to a no reply address just so I can collate any anomalies. What does it look like? Well, in my folder then, once I've run the script, I get a Google Sheet file per email address. And if I open one of those up, it is basically a collated list from the master sheet of only those rows that belong to that specific email address. So this is the example one. And if we look at example four, for instance, like so. So it's gone through and it's organized and collated them all in here. So you might find this tool useful. Thank you very much.